Okay, in today's lesson, we are to solve the following equation. It's still under indices. The question says 9 divided by bracket 1 over 27 raised by 1 plus x all raised by 2 equal to 3 raised by x. First of all, we start opening the brackets from here. And that will give us 9 raised by 2 divided by 1 over 27 raised by 1, 2 brackets 1 plus x is equal to 3 raised by x. And by me looking at this, we will try as much as possible to break it down to involve 3 throughout. So if we apply that knowledge, this will give us 3 raised power 2 times 2, because 9 is 3 raised power 2. Then these two you have to multiply, divided by bracket 1 over 3 raised power 3 all raised power 2 into 1 plus x equal to 3 raised by x. Again, we know that this is 3 raised by 3 because 3 raised by 3 is 27. So that is why I have to change it. Now this will give us 3 raised by 4 divided by 1 over, or if you don't want to continue like that, you can have it as 3 raised by minus 3 bracket 2 into 1 plus x equal to 3 raised by x. Moving forward, you have to bring this here. That's 3 raised by 4 divided by 3 raised by minus 3 times 2 brackets 1 plus x is equal to 3 raised by x. Yes, this thing happened like that because for us to simplify this, you have to multiply the power by the power of whatever is in the brackets. And that is the reason why we have it like this. So this one will now be 3 raised power 4 divided by 3 times 2 is 6. That should be 3 raised power minus 6 bracket 1 plus x is equal to 3 raised power x. But from laws of indices, we know that when you are dividing, you have to subtract the powers if they are of the same base. As you can see, we have 3, 3, 3. That means they are of the same base. So this will give us 3 raised power 4 minus, I will now bring in this power, minus 6 bracket 1 plus x, which is equal to 3 raised power x. Moving forward, we have 3 raised power 4 plus 6 bracket 1 plus x is equal to 3 raised power x. Then we can now equate the power since we have 3, 3. And that will give us 4 plus 6 into 1 plus x equal to 3 raised power x, which will give us 4 plus 6 plus 6x. That's 6 times 1 and 6 times x, which is 3 raised power x. At this point, I supposed to have equated the powers as I said earlier. So this place will be, because I equated this to this, it should be x. Then at this point, we are to collect like terms. And from here, we have 4 plus 6 is equal to, I am bringing this 6 over to here so that I have x one side and ordinary numbers one side. And that will give me x minus 6x. That means that 10 will give me minus 5x. In order to get the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 5. And that means 10 over 5 is equal to 5x minus 5x over 5. You divide 2 is equal to minus x. But we are looking for the value of positive x, not minus. We multiply both sides by minus 1. 2 times minus 1 is the same thing as minus x times minus 1. Minus times minus, as we know, is plus. Therefore, x will be equal to minus 2. And that's the answer to this. Thank you. Till the next lesson.